Hi, this is the market outlook for the week starting Monday 15th. Nothing seems to be able to derail the bull train. This is the channel we've been in for about a month. Last week, the 3000 levels have been hit and then kind of broken, although, as you can see here, there is a fib expansion pattern to about 3015. And indeed, we haven't seen a major short squeeze that would take the market much higher. So it's still in grind up mode, and it could probably bump here or a bit higher around 3045. That said, if we look at probably a longer time frame, we could go with a flow and just have a positive delta. The thing is that we have to take into consideration that VIX is now very, very low, hitting a very strong support on about 12, 12.5. VIX is quite bearish, which seems to indicate there's no mean reversal pressure at this point. We are in a downtrend, and that's about it. So there may be some technical factor to stop this erosion, knowing that if 12.5 breaks, it could actually go somewhat lower in the 10th or 9th, back into, would say, a 2017 scenario. So we will see back to SPX whether 3015 and 3045 can hold. There's a chance, of course, of going for the channel lows and lower at some point, knowing that we have a resilience level now on the 2950, incidentally close to the previous highs in early to mid-June. To justify the market going much higher despite the momentum, there's at least a need to test the channel lows or the 3000 level again, and even possibly slightly lower without affecting the bullish trend and momentum that much. So this bullish congestion may continue for a while, and with due consideration that a former resistance has to be tested for support. And it could be, if not 3000, it could be around the 2970 area. Anyway, let's have a quick look at the Russell now. It seems the Russell is slightly more bullish over the medium term, with the possibility of going back to the 1600 to 1620. And if we look at even a longer time frame, the Russell has more room on the upside, and it's probably been bumping in this area because of the hesitation on other indices like the S&P and the Dow. At this point, I would say that resistance is not induced by small caps as such, but more by other indices and the necessary correlations. There's any form of acceleration in the momentum in other indices, then it could actually go to this level 1600. So at the moment, no mean reversion, same grinding up mode, and probably going back to the 1590, close to 1600 area, unless of course there's some surprise waiting with earnings coming soon. Right, that's it for this short market outlook. The next video will be on our positions.